Hi friends, we have a nice problem here. JEE Mains 2019. Alpha, beta are roots of x square plus x sine theta minus 2 sine theta equals 0. Then we have to find out the value of this expression. Alpha power 12 plus beta power 12 by alpha power minus 12 plus beta power minus 12 times alpha minus beta whole power 24. This looks complex, but in fact it is pretty straightforward. But in this equation, we can see alpha plus beta is minus b by a, that is minus sine theta, and alpha beta, product of these two roots, is c by a, that is minus 2 sine theta. Right. Sum of the roots is minus sine theta, product of the roots is minus 2 sine theta. That means product of the roots is double the sum of the roots. Right. Now alpha power 12, beta power 12, and this entire expression, if we change this and be able to express in terms of alpha plus beta and alpha beta, right? Sum of the roots and product of the roots, then we can easily solve this. The trick is just to be able to express this in terms of alpha plus beta and alpha beta. Let's see how we can do this. Right. So this one we can write it as alpha power 12 plus beta power 12. Let's the numerator be as is. And the denominator 1 by alpha power 12 plus 1 by beta power 12. Right. Alpha power minus 12 is 1 by alpha power 12. Right. And alpha minus beta whole power 24, let it be as is. Then this thing we can write it as, if we take the LCM, beta power 12 plus alpha power 12 by alpha power 12 beta power 12. Right. Rest all will remain as is. Now this part and this part will cancel each other, and this will go to the top. Right. Alpha power 12, beta power 12 by alpha minus beta whole power by alpha minus beta whole power 24. Then this 24 also we can write is 2 into 12. Right. So then basically what we can do, alpha beta whole power 12, alpha beta by alpha minus beta whole square whole power 12. That's what we can do, right? Because alpha minus beta whole power 24. Right. So this 2 into 12 is 24 and alpha beta power 12 is this. Right. Now we are almost there. We are able to express this entire expression in terms of alpha beta and alpha plus beta. So this alpha minus beta whole square, we can write it as alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. Right, guys? So now, as we earlier also discussed, the product of the roots is minus 2 sine theta, right? And sum of the roots is minus sine theta. That means product of the roots is twice the sum of the roots, right? So we can say alpha beta is actually equal to 2 times alpha plus beta. Similarly, 4 alpha beta becomes 4 into 2 times alpha plus beta, that is 8 alpha plus beta, right? So then this expression will become 2 times alpha plus beta by alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 into 2 times alpha plus beta, that is 8 times alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta we can take common and cancel, so we'll be left with 1 alpha plus beta here, right? This alpha plus beta and one of this cancel, right? So we'll be left with 2 by alpha plus beta minus 8 whole power 12. But what is alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta is minus sine theta. So right, minus sine theta minus 8, 2 by minus sine theta minus 8 whole power 12. Right, what we can do? We can take this minus 1 common. Minus 1, if we take it common, minus 1 power 12 is anyway 12. Sorry, anyway 1. So we can change this negative sign to positive sign. So this becomes 2 power 12 by sine theta plus 8 whole power 12. Right, so now we are able to express everything in terms of theta. Right, guys? Hope you like this. Very simple. Just be able to express, manipulate little bit of algebraic manipulation to be able to express this in terms of alpha, beta, and alpha plus beta. Right, guys? Thank you.